Study up to the question number 4. You may see on the screen we have been studying the chapter 2, the exercise chapter 2.5. okay, the question number 4 you may see, and we have derived the different identities also that day. You may see here this identity that we have studied, and before that some more identities we have studied right now. And these identities like that a plus b plus c whole cube, also the identity was there. I'm telling this the identity which we have discussed, a plus b plus c whole cube whole square is there. So first term square plus second term square plus third term square and twice bc and later twice ca. Okay, sorry, here will be twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. That is this. You may see this. This is a typical identity is there. Okay, so how this can be used here? It's very simple, the method to use here. You may see there is expand each of the following using suitable identities. Okay, so how can we do this? This is the very simple way that we can do this. This is also be to expand here using the suitable identities. You may see all the 6 questions you are seeing watching this question number 4. So these all having the same pattern. So I am telling one of them how is to solve here. Suppose that we are just solving this question. Okay, the question number 1 I am talking about, the question number this I am talking about. Okay, and how is to be solved here? To solve. Okay, solution number 4 and the question number 1. What the question is there? X plus 2y plus next is 4z and whole square. Clear? This we have to expand. The meaning of expand means, so what type of pattern we are observing? This type of pattern we are observing. So this identity you have to first write here. Okay guys, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to, there is the identity. You may see this or not? So in the place of x this will be, in the place of b this will be, in the place of c this will be. Therefore this expression further can be written as first term square plus second term square, clear, and plus third term square. Do you know the meaning of the third term square? Obviously. And 2 times ab means first term and second term, plus 2 into second term is what here, the second term is 2y and the third term is there this. Okay, so no sorry, it's first second third, and the next step is 2 times and third term into first term. What is first term? X is there first term. Clear guys? You may see this is, and further can be written as it's x square right now. Here 2 2s are 4 y square plus 2 2 4 16 z square, and here 2 2s are 4, okay, 4x y there, plus 2 2s are 4 4s are 16 yz there, and here furthermore 2 4s are 8 zx will occur here. Is that clear? And further we can solve this? No chance to solve the further. This is a simplified way. So we have expanded it. Okay, so this is the order that we have to solve up to the question number 4. Is that clear guys? Now you may see the second question also. What the second question? The second question is also the same here. You may say this is to be solved here. So same is it. So I hope you can solve this. Clear? So I'm telling the question number this is difficult it is, and this question I'm telling. Okay guys, so what the question I'm telling you third question, and how to we solve the third question here. You may see the third question is it's a third question. Clear? So what the third question is saying here is 2x plus 3y 2x plus 3y plus 2z, and there is whole square. Okay, so what will be here further? It's very simple here. First term square, okay, and the second term square, just you see a square b square, and this is the third term here, plus 2 times first term and second term, and plus 2 times second term and ab bc second term, and what the third term? 2z, and next is 2 times 2z, and what is the first term? And there 2x. Is there negative positive? No, all the terms are here positive. I hope you can solve this further. So it shall be 4x square, clear guys, and it shall be 3 3s are, so a square will be launched over the 3 and y also, right? So 3 3 9 y square, and this again 2 2s are 4 z square, and here these 3 to be multiplied here, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 times x and y there, clear, and further is to 2 3s are 6, 2s are 8. You just always have to remember one thing that's very important. Numerical values multiplied together, and the variable is also multiplied together. Right now 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8 is also there, 8 zx's. Right now this is a simplified expression for you. Well understood you? I hope you can solve the remaining questions also in the same way. Is that clear guys? Well understood you? I'm telling the question number 4 also, 6th also. Right now how to solve the question number 6. You may see the question number 6. What the question number 6? So what is the question number 6 is saying? It's 1 by 4 a and minus 1 by 2 b and plus 1, and there is also whole square. So what can be written here in this place? First term 1 by a 4 square, the second term minus 1 by 2 b square, and what the third term there also, and further 2 times 1 by 4 a and minus 1 by 2 b and plus 2 times minus 1 by 2 b, and the third term is, what the third term is, 1. Clear? So remaining to solve this, 1 by 4 4s are 16 times a square there, here negative minus of the 2 times together plus 1 by 4, and so I just want to tell you one thing that is very important here, minus 1 by 2 and b square is there, okay, this type of square. So this square will be launched over minus over 1 by 2 over b, so minus together will be given as positive, clear. So here written, and 1 by 4 and b square there also, clear guys? Well understood here? Further 1 square means 1 it is, and here can be solved here. If this is positive term, this is positive term, this is negative, so plus into plus and plus into minus is there, okay. So in the place of this, in the place of here, the next term will give you minus, so this can be cancelled as minus 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 0. So here shall be what, 1 by 2 will remain here only, and this 2 will multiply to 2, 2 2s are 4 is there, 2 2s are 4 also, so 4 is to be there, okay, not the 2, okay. So what we will write here then? Here we will write 4, is that clear? And it's a and it's a b also, plus what the next is there also, so negative positive, here 3 is there, okay, it's negative also, this will occur negative, clear. So how can be written? This is, it's a minus, and to cancel this, it's a b only. Is that clear guys? That is before you. So this is the term that the simplified expressions is coming here. Now everybody understood here this, the method of writing solution? You just have to give the reference of identity. This identity based means these are the straightforward questions here, right? In the place of a b c, we need to put the values here, clear guys? Now further, so I hope you can solve the questions. So your assignment of the day in the question before, second you have to do, please take this and keep your copy open while you are learning online, okay, just keep open the copies. Your homework is that I am giving you to give with the red sign, I am giving this is your homework, this is, and this. How many questions are there altogether? 3 questions are there, okay. Now see the for the next, factorize. I am talking about the question number 5. So factorization, so you may see the identity very carefully. If you'll see the identity very carefully, see, is that clear guys what I am talking to? That this is, sorry, it's a homework, okay. So if you'll see the identity very carefully, so this is the left hand side of the identity and this is the right hand side of the identity, okay. So if the right hand side is given, so we can bring the left hand side in place of that, and if the left hand side given, we can bring the right hand side here, clear? These are the same thing. So you may see the right hand side is given, Okay, so you need to set a pattern. What type of expression is to be here this? So this can be written, I'm telling how this can be written as, okay, look this, the manner of writing the solution I'm telling. Okay, so in the place of this first term, it can be written as a whole square, 2x whole square. Can we write this or not? Yes, of course we can write this. And the next term is also 3 times y and whole square can be written as. Next please, 4 times z and whole square can also be written this. So it's a first term square, second term square, third term square, clear? And plus 2ab, 2, and these 2ab as a must come here. This it's a 2x and it's a 3y. Is that clear? Furthermore, next is 2 times second term into third term, clear or not? And plus next is also 2, what next is 4z, and what is the first term here? 2x is there. So this type of pattern is coming. You just have to match whether it is coming or not. Is that clear, guys? Very simple. There's to do here. Okay, I'm solving this question. You just may see here. Talking about this, have a look please. How it is to solve here? I'm talking about this question. Okay, the question number, solution number. Wait a minute, please. Yeah. Yes. So what is that? Look please, I'm solving question number first of that. Okay, solution number 5, question first. What one is there? 4x square plus 9 times y square plus 16 times z square, and next is also 12 times xy, okay, and minus 24 times yz, okay, and next is also 16 times xz, and how to be solved here, clear? So first you all have to see the first 3 terms. These 3 terms is to be set here. The pattern of what kind of expression is a square plus b square plus c square. So anybody else have to set the first 3 pattern, first 3 terms, these 3 terms to be seen here, not these terms to be seen here. Okay guys, so this is an identity. If this type of patterns occur, so in place of that we can write a plus b plus c and whole square is to be written there. Okay guys, right? So should we start this further? Yeah. So this can be written as 2 of x whole square, and next this can be written as 3 of y whole square, and next this also can be written 4 of z whole square, clear? A square, b square, c square, and there 2 times ab. So first term this is, and the second term also this is 2ab, and later 2 times second term is this, and what the third term is there? The third term is I think 4 of z. So it's a twice ab, twice bc, okay, and the third twice ca. What is twice ca? 4 of z, okay, and the first term is what here? The first term is here 2 of x. So whether it's getting with the pattern or not here, you see. So 4 square is there, yes, 3 square this. So you may see, but this term and these 2 terms are negative. So in that negative term, what's being involved? Yz term negative and zx term negative. So tell please, what is common in them? Z is common. So obviously the negative minus could be of z, because it's common in both. So first thing, z can be negative, or the next way y and x both are negative. So which you want to take? So it can have the 2 solution, right now? The 2 solutions it can have. There can be z negative and there can be x and y both negative. So what you will take? So this expression would be written as this y z is negative here. So I put here the negative sign, clear? So further this expression can be written as, so you may see this or not? So this can be written 2 of x plus 3 of y minus 4 of z. This can be written in whole place, okay, or also minus of 2x, and next is what here? Minus of 2x minus of 3y plus 4 of z. The same thing I told you. you can take to xy negative or only z negative. So the two solutions are there. Is that clear, guys? Well understood here. You just take me, it is coming 12 or not here. So 2 2s are 4, 3 are 12 is coming, okay, and 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24. Yeah, 24 is coming here. Okay, so this is the simple method to solve. If you cannot understand this question, so please repeat this video for the 5 minute first what earlier just I have explained you right now, and watch this again and listen carefully what I am speaking. Is that clear? And what I am writing on the screen, even you will learn well about the identity use. Now the second question here, as you may see here, the second question, I hope you can solve this here right now. So guys, I am giving one question as home assignment so that you will able to solve this question. This is also your home assignment. Can you solve this or not? Okay guys, well understood you. Now see the next question what I am saying it. Write the following cubes in the expanded form. Yeah, the new type of pattern is coming here. Write the following cubes in the expanded form. So pattern you have to observe. So what identity I have told you this? So identity I have told is before you this. You may see these identity that day I told you. Right now what identity is here? This x plus y whole cube, this, and this the expansion is coming here. This you may see means x plus y whole cube can be expanded in this form. This is called the first identity. Okay, means x plus y whole cube is equal to first term cube 3x square y and 3xy square, and y cube is there also. Here guys, right? Similarly for negative this can be solved here. This is the expression for negative. This is the expression for negative. Is for the negatives. Okay, and further more identity we have solved here. I will tell you this later identities. Is that clear guys? So what pattern we are observing? You may see the pattern here, this pattern. Okay guys, so please start to solve this question. I'm telling the method of solving this question is. Okay, look this please. Here what the identity is there? This identity is there. Okay, so the first question, what the first question is here, I'm talking the first question. The first question I hope is x 2x plus y. This is the solution number. What the solution number? Solution sixth question number first. What is the first question? 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 whole square. Sorry, it's a 2x plus 1 whole to the power 3. So what the pattern? You just have to write the identity. If you can't understand, a plus b, it's a square, and sorry, it's a cube is there, so it's a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square, okay, plus b cube. And further, how can we solve this? It's a 2x plus 1 whole to the power 3, right? So it shall be first term cube plus 3 into first term, okay, into this also 3 into what next is 1, clear. And later what, have a look at the pattern is first term cube, okay, first term is square, second term and first and second term is square. What the first term you may see pattern you are observing or not? Okay guys, so the first term, where the first term 2, and the second term is square there also, and last is second term cube, you may say. So what do we speak here? You can also speak this. This is the expansion of binomial, the two term expression, from highest power of the first term to the highest power of the second term. What is the first term here? You may say 2x. What is the second term? You may see here 1. Okay, so it shall be, please go on writing this. This will be what here? 2 2s are 4 2s are 8x cube, and plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 here, this x square, and here 3 2s are 6 and x only, and here 1 is there. Okay, can you solve further this? No. What type of expression is this coming here? This is a cubic polynomial, and a simplified form is coming here right now. So there some changes can also be made here. This, if in the place of y will occur here, minus will occur here, so where minus will come here? In the place of 1 where the minus will occur. So here you will take minus as, okay guys, and here I will take is minus, and here will take is minus. So what the change will occur? So minus 1's time is occurring at the second term, so this term will be negative, and here minus 2 time occurring here, so this term will here positive, and the 3 time here negative. So the expression will be what? The expression will be changed here, 8x cube and minus 12 of x square. The value, the magnitude will not change, only the answer will change here. So this type of answer will be written here, this. Okay, well, understood you what change I made? Just you have seen, not seen, please reverse the video and listen again it carefully. So in the same manner, the question number second is also before you that. What the question number second? You may see this is the question number second. So what is that? I am writing this second number question again. It's you may see twice of a minus thrice of b whole to the power 3. Can you explain this or not? And twice of a whole cube, clear, and plus 3 times first a square, clear. Again same, it is there, 3b is there, minus of 3b, because minus I am carrying here the same. Okay, 3 times twice a, okay, and minus 3b whole square is also there, and further minus of 3b whole to the power 3. Can you see this or not here, guys? And just do solve this. 8a cube, and here 1 negative is there, minus will come here, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and a square into b. So it is not necessary that you just have to write only it's not necessary that just you have to write only 36 a square in this in the terms of this. Okay, guys, right now. So where the next is here again, 3 3s are 9, okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54, and it's a and b square will be there positive. Why? Because twice negative terms to be taken, and here minus 3 times 3 3 are 327, and it's a b cube is also there. Just you understood here? Well, what is the manner of writing the solution? You may see what is that technique of writing solution. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, guys, see the next please. In the same way, I hope you can solve the question number third also. Third can also be solved here in the same. So I am giving you just as the home assignment this, and this is also to be done as. So how many questions I gave as an assignment? 6 questions altogether here. Okay, I am solving one more, just like question number 7. You may see how the 7 is to be solved here. So 7 is also, it's a 99 whole to the power 3. So solution number 7. First question is this, 99 whole to the power 3. So can it be solved here? So no sir, its meaning is what here, 99 and 3 times is taken, it is 99 99. So is it possible to take the 3 time here? Obviously we can just write here 90 plus 9, and there is this also, clear, right? So what will be here this? So you may see this is, I'm writing this here. Okay, so pattern is what here, it's a plus b whole cube pattern. This is the application of identity. Application of identity. Okay, it means here we can use this identity for solving the question. Clear? So first term cube and second term, okay, and next is also this only, and here it's cube occurring, and 9. This one method. This can not only this can be written in the manner, this is other way I am telling you. What is the other way? 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. This could be easy sum here. So 100 first term cube and plus 3 times first term square and second term plus 3 this is, and minus 1 whole square, and next 3, what will it is, sorry, 1 2 3 terms, 3 terms are occurring here. So further can be written as, I'm telling this, so it's minus 1 whole to the power 3. Now expand it. From both the answer we will same here. So this 2 zeros are here, just like we can speak here this 2 0. So multiply by 3, so 2 3 is 6 0 will come occur here. This. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 will come, and then 4 0, 3 into 1 2 3 4, but the term is negative, so negative would be taken here, this, okay, this negative. Okay, what next is then, and here also minus 2 time here, so it shall be what, 3 positive, 300, and minus is there. Now it's 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 what is 1 2 3 4, and it's a plus 1 2, or here minus. Now add them, you need to add them together, and this also, clear? And see, you will not obtain the different answer. By both the method you will obtain the same answer. I hope that these questions are very easy sum and will appreciate the assignment here. Okay guys, so can you solve this question in the same manner what I'm doing this here? If you not understood here, then see the video clearly again this, okay? This will help you to understand these questions. So you may see there is what I made solving of this question here. So these 2 more questions are here on assignment, okay? So we'll not study more, means very 5 to 6 questions at least you have to do after the end of video, after the video end. Is that clear? Okay guys, can you solve this or not? If there is problem, then please write me on my WhatsApp number. I will tell you this again. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.